This error, the type or namespace name ErrorViewModel could not be found, typically indicates that Visual Studio cannot locate the ErrorViewModel class. You can see this as sample project, and when I try to build the project and I am getting same error mentioned before. To solve this, necessary namespace for the ErrorViewModel class is to be imported. So let's navigate to error.cshtml file as shown here. Now hover over error model, then click on the bulb icon and next click on using namespace pop-up box. Now error for error model class is gone. Now try to build the project again. If you have same error for other model, then apply the same steps. In this way we fixed your namespace not found for error model and other model. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.